Welcome to the project demonstration of automated detection and notification of potholes, humps to aid trace with the image capture SMS. In this project we are using HD display, 40-pin PIC microcontroller and IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor and ESP32 camera. Here we can see the camera also. Here we can see the camera and SD card for storing the images, and also using GPS relay for the motor controls, and also GSM module 12V 1 battery. And also using buck converter. So let me see the working of this project. So IR sensor will detect the object and ultrasonic sensor will detect the potholes. So we know that ultrasonic sensor have a two transmitter and receiver. So transmitter will be transmit the signal and receiver will be receive the signal. So when transmitter will transmit the signal and will be received by this another receiver one, and also if any distance will become more than 10, then it will give a message to our phone like a alert. And also if any IR sensor detected by any object, it will give a alert to our phone through this GSM module. And also we can see GPS will be track the robo and it will show the latitude and longitude values. So it will see the working. Now see here we can see the buck converter. Buck converters converts from DC to DC. So buck converter main aim is to convert high DC voltage to low DC voltage. So here we are using 12V 1 battery. So this microcontroller have a 5V of range, and these components also have a 5V. So to maintain the 5V, we are giving 2V to the buck converter. Then it will be step down the DC voltage and give a 5V of DC power. That DC power will be given to this PIC microcontroller. Through PIC microcontroller board, we are divide the equal power to this all components like IR sensor, LCD display, ultrasonic sensor, GPS and ESP32 cam. And here we can see the GSM is used by 12V of power supply. Then only it will be connected to the network. And also here we can see, so here we can see SIM tray. So we will place like this. So if we want to place the SIM tray, so just put like this robot and remove it and add it like this way. Based on the notch, we have to set our SIM. Now let me see the working condition. Here we can see the switch. If I on the switch, total system will be on in position. Now here we can see project name. So here we can see the distance and GPS latitude and longitude values also. These values will become in outdoor position, so it will not come in indoor position. We will show these values in outdoor position after some minutes. So here we can see if any object will be detected. Now it will be give a alert like a hump, and it will take a picture, and that picture will be stored in a SD card. We will show the images at the last. And also we can see if any distance is increased. So here we can see distance is increased and will be taken pictures, and the pictures will be stored in this SD card. Whenever this IR sensor detects or this ultrasonic sensor give a signal, then automatically this relay will be get switched off to stop the motors. Here we can say light indication also. So here we can see it is given an alert of pothole and also give a alert of hump, and it will give also location. So in this way, if this IR sensor detected any hump, or this ultrasonic sensor will detect any hole, that will be give a message like this. So if we press this map, then it will give a automatically location. Now in our indoor, it will be not have any longitude and latitude values. That's why here we can see the 000 position. When we use this product in outdoor, we will get a longitude and latitude values, and even that time it will be values will be changed and will be get a particular location. In this product, we are also using charging circuit to charge this 12 volts 1 amp battery. In this charging circuit, we have a step down transformer and bridge rectifier. So we are charging this battery using this power cable. It takes 230 volts of AC supply, and it will be step down up to 12 volts of AC. The 12 volts of AC will be given to this bridge rectifier input. We know that bridge rectifier will convert the AC to DC, so it will convert up to 12 volts of DC. The 12 volts of DC will be given to this pins. Now we will give a power supply to this transformer. So we can see here light indication, which means battery get charging. It will see the outdoor project result for the GPS location. Now we can see we are in outdoor, and here we can see GPS got signal light, and also here we can see the we got values longitude and latitude. So here we can see the light indication also. So we can see here longitude and latitude values. So here we can see it give a message, and it is showing the longitude and longitude values, and we can see the location of the vehicle.
So here I have to check the photos. Just push to lock and push to unlock. So remove this from this one. So after inserting the memory card into this one card reader, just plug in this to the, you see there we get the photos. So these are the images we have got this while we are testing. So inside the room, so these are the images on the outside. Okay, right, yes, thank you.